Hello family, welcome back to NaturalLee. My name is Lydia. Today we are taking a look at a natural way to take control or manage your dandruff. And the only two ingredients we'll be needing is orange and coconut oil. If you're new to this channel is all about natural remedies for hair growth. So if this is what you are interested in, please do well to subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. I first off start by squeezing fresh orange. So to get fresh orange juice, please pardon me for my voice. I'm having quite a hard time speaking now, but I needed to record. So once I'm done squeezing the orange juice, I strain it so I don't have lumps in it. My next ingredient is coconut oil. So I'm adding coconut oil because I want coconut oil to stabilize the acidic pH of orange. We all know that orange is acidic. It has about 2 to 3 level of this acidic pH. So adding coconut oil will regulate the acidic pH of the orange. So why am I using this orange today for this treatment? Orange has a lot of vitamin C in it, and it also boosts your hair growth and reduces hair loss. Oranges are also rich source of magnesium, fiber, flavonoids, and antioxidants. If you are experiencing dandruff, then including oranges in your diet can be helpful for you. Oranges are best consumed fresh and raw. There's nothing wrong with putting orange in your hair. And if you think the acidic pH is too high for you, that is 2 to 3, you can dilute it in order to stabilize it, just like apple cider vinegar. I first start off by sectioning my hair into 4 different parts, just so I have easy accessibility onto sections so that I don't end up leaving some parts not attended to. This helps me smear the orange throughout every part of my hair. It is very important because it's able to make your hair get absorbed very well of every ounce of the treatment. Make sure you check the treatment well before applying it into your hair so that you have a full mixture on your scalp. Focus on your scalp because this is a dandruff treatment, this is a scalp treatment, so focusing on your scalp will be the best way to go. It's important to shake it because the orange juice will settle at the bottom because it is heavier than the coconut oil. When you are done with this, please twist your hair nicely and don't forget to apply some onto your ends because your ends are the oldest part of your hair. At this point of your natural hair growth, it's important to focus on your ends and your scalp. Your ends because you want to retain length, and your scalp because you want to grow out your natural hair. Please do well in sectioning your hair and detangling your hair. Be careful how you use comb so you don't end up losing so much hair while doing this treatment. You can do this treatment once in a month or depending on how often you wash your hair. If you wash your hair once a week, doing this treatment once in a week is fine, or twice in a month is completely fine. I go ahead to massage my scalp because massaging the scalp stimulates blood circulation, which eventually makes the hair grow very fast. My natural hair journey has been a beautiful one, and I really love my journey so far. My hair, deciding to take care of it, has taught me a whole lot. I've understood my hair. I'm now so much involved in the hair so much that anything I face, I know what caused it and I know the solution. So yeah guys, doing this treatment has saved me a lot because I did a certain treatment on my scalp and I had issues with my electricity, so it had to damage my scalp, resulting in me getting dandruff. It's funny, but when you pay attention to everything you put on your hair, you are able to understand the cause of any changes that you face on your hair and scalp. And when I realized that this could be the cause, or this was the cause, I then had to follow up with a natural solution to it, something that would detox my scalp. And orange is perfect for dandruff. If you want permanent solution for dandruff, you need to repeat this treatment at least 4 times. Not 4 times continuous. Let's say you do it twice in a month and repeat it again the following month, and then you are good to go. Or as per when your hair needs it. Depending on your scalp response, sometimes using it once will be okay. Other times you need to use it continuously. I then make sure that all parts of my hair get some of this treatment, and I go ahead to give myself a very good scalp massage. Massaging the scalp is so good and refreshing. After here, I put on my shower cap and then wait about 30 minutes and then go into the shower. You can decide to wear a steamer cap for 50 minutes depending on your choice. Here, my scalp became very itchy because of the dandruff. I first start off by rinsing out the treatments from my hair before going in with the shampoo. When you decide to go in directly with the shampoo wouldn't be very effective because orange wouldn't help the shampoo lather so well. So it's important to rinse out the orange and the coconut oil from your hair before proceeding in with a good shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice. I use a natural aloe vera shampoo which is perfect for my hair, but I usually want to use black soap shampoo. Once I'm done with this phase, I make sure I wash my hair thoroughly, else I'll have flakes of dandruffs on my hair that has moved from the scalp to the surface of my hair. So guys, yes, I wash my hair very well, like really focus on cleaning the scalp. Like you have to focus on cleaning the scalp. If you don't, you will have to recycle your mistakes again because you finish washing your hair and you find out that there's still a lot of dandruff on your hair. When you're done with your first wash, you can go ahead with a deep conditioner of your choice, or maybe you can just skip deep conditioning for today, which is not advisable. In this video, I skipped my deep conditioning because it was very late and I was feeling very sleepy. But then it's advisable to do your deep conditioning after your first shampoo so that you prepare your hair very well for more growth. After here, I just go in with my normal conditioner and I'm good to go. So guys, tell me how you found this video. Was this video helpful? Is this something you try at home yourself, putting orange on your hair or putting orange on your scalp because you want to get rid of dandruff? Like I really felt how clean my scalp felt after rinsing out everything from my hair. Like it felt so good, and I'm definitely going to try this treatment again. What about you? How is your natural hair journey like? Can you share your journey with me? How long have you been natural, and how long have you been seeing results? Do you think you're a lazy natural or you are finding your way to your natural hair journey? So yes, as I'm done here, this is my hair without any product and it felt so good. I went ahead to stretch, moisturize my hair, and I was good to go. You can do this treatment once or twice in the month. This is once again. If you're new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Bye.